How do you register assets in the CivilWorks Data Catalog? In this video, we will cover how to create an asset in the CivilWorks Data Catalog. This is one of the ways to register metadata and create meaningful records for users. To create an asset, log into the catalog using the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click login.gov and enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account already, follow the steps to create an account using the button on the login.gov page that opens. After completing the login process, your screen will return to the Browse page of the catalog. Using the menu on the left-hand side of the page, click Create. A list of asset types will display. Scroll to find the type of asset you would like to register and click Create. We are going to create a dataset. In the page that opens for the new dataset, enter metadata that is relevant to the dataset and will assist in forming relationships with other linked assets. As you can see, there are many different properties that can be added to a dataset. In this example, we are only going to enter a few properties, but there are additional sets of properties that are considered mandatory, if applicable, to the main asset types in the catalog we listed earlier in the What Goes into the CivilWorks Data Catalog training video. Those assets include datasets, applications, services, and systems. For a more detailed listing of the mandatory properties and specific examples of these property entries, visit the Curating the Portfolio document located in the description of this video. Back to our sample dataset, each property can be edited by clicking the pencil button in the property box. Enter content for the property such as title and description as we are demonstrating. When finished, click the blue checkmark property to apply changes and close that editing section. Note, these changes are not yet saved. Repeat the process to add a description. For more complex properties such as contact point, click on the plus sign on the right of the property box to expand and edit the property. As we enter information for a new contact point, note all of the information entered for these complex properties will be saved as a single entry. Some complex properties display multiple tabs of options within the property. Only fill in what is relevant to your asset. When you are finished, remember to click the check mark to the right of the property box to apply changes. If more than one entry is added for a property, use the small expand button to the left of the property name to show all entries. Once all properties are entered, click the green Save button in the top right corner. Once saved, we can review our new dataset and have the option to return to browse the other assets in the catalog or create and import additional assets. To learn how to import assets and associated items, continue to the next video in the training series.